Hi friends, welcome back to my country garden. Now today I'm just trying to get a few projects done around here, and one of them is to use these pieces of birch tree trunk that my hubby actually picked up from the curb. I'm using them to make sort of kind of like a planter, and so I have already lined them up how I want them. Okay, so I'm going to use these two pieces on either side here to keep the logs together. So in order for this to work, I'll have to put a screw in each log. So I have decided to put little pieces of wood just where the two logs meet, just so the soil doesn't go through. My rustic garden planter, just a few pieces of birch logs and some pieces of stick that are screwed into each log. As much as I like to get creative indoors, I also like to get creative outdoors. So I hope you liked my rustic garden planter idea. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Please like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.